And just in case you missed any of tonight's performances, so that you understand what the judges are saying, take a look. You know I got you.
Don't you worry yourself, mama. I'm not there for you. I'm not there for you. I want to be a baby do for me and say smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. I've got the eye of a tiger, fire, dancing to the fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. You're the concrete jungle, jungle, where you're living is hardest. It's not the concrete jungle, jungle, where you got to do your best. Shut a lid up, keep out the devil. Shut a lid up, keep the devil outside. Shut a lid up, keep out the devil. Light the candle, everything is alright. Light the candle, everything is alright. Shut a lid up, keep out the devil. You can never change my mind. I know it's hard, so can I. I know it's hard, so can I. Hey, listen to the choir, we are stand up on your floor. Sing reggae music for your soul, for your soul. Hey, listen to this, hey, yes,